As Americans, you probably dine at least once every couple of weeks out. Even if you don't, when you do, it can be detrimental to your low-calorie diet if in fact you do. How can you avoid the extra calories that come from dining out when you are on a strict diet? There are several solutions for you to take into consideration. 1. Determine where you are going ahead of time and take a look at the restaurant's online menu. Most of the larger chains and even some of the best individual locations will provide a full menu listing. You can use this information to help you to find the healthiest items on the menu. You can also use the web to help you to search for those recipes online, on other websites. Sometimes, more well-known chains will have copycat recipes up with full nutritional value to help you to find the best choices even faster. 2. Look for foods on the menu. In most restaurants, you can request a nutritional guide that will provide you with details about the healthiness of the food. You can then make your choices wisely. Some even provide a section of their menu that is low-calorie. If not, ask. 3. Look for the right foods. Vegetarian meals are a great choice as they often have far less foods that are high in saturated fats and in calories. In addition, look for foods that aren't cooked in heavy sauces, creams or have added butter. Ask the chef to leave them out. Or, ask for a specially prepared meal that fits your needs. When you do these things, you will quickly see just how benefiting it can be to be on your low-calorie diet and still not lose out when you go out.